In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a plus icon in Figma. We'll keep this simple and fast by using Figma's community to find a clean, reusable icon and bring it into your project. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser. If you're already using the desktop app, that works too. Make sure you're signed in so you can open files and copy assets from the homepage or the app. Look for the community section. This is where designers share files and resources you can use. Click community to open the searchable library. In the search bar, type plus icon. You'll see a range of options from full icon packs to individual symbols. If you want something lightweight, look for a simple vector plus sign, ideally in an icon set that includes multiple sizes. You can preview the file details to confirm it's a vector and check that it's free to use. When you find one you like, select it to open the file page. On the file page, click Open in Figma. This will load the community file directly in your workspace. Give it a moment to open. If you're prompted to allow access, just confirm. Once the file is open, locate the plus icon on the canvas. If it's inside a frame or a component, you can still copy it as is. Click the icon to select it, then press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy. Now switch to your own project file where you want to place the icon. You can use your recent files list or navigate to your team project. Once your file is open, paste the icon with Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. You should see the plus icon appear on your canvas, ready to position. From here, you can adjust it as needed without adding any extra steps. Since it's a vector, you can scale it up or down without losing quality. Hold Shift while resizing to keep proportions even. If the icon uses strokes, you can tweak the stroke weight in the right-hand panel for a lighter or bolder look. Change the color by updating the fill or stroke value to match your design system. For better organization, rename the layer to something like Icon Plus and place it where it belongs in your layout. And that's it. You went to Figma, browsed community, opened a file, copied the plus icon, moved to your project and pasted it in. Quick, clean, and ready to use across your designs.